Hi, this is Travis with Wakanda Boats here in Republican City, and today I wanted to give you guys a real quick video on the new Simrad system that we put on all of our Harris tritoons. We've gotten really good feedback from these. We put them on all of our models that we stock regardless of the floor plan. For those that aren't familiar, the Simrad system, Simrad is affiliated with Lowrance. So those of you that have used the Lowrance fish finders, the sonar portion of this Simrad system is basically a Lowrance. It'd be like an HDS or an Elite, formatted exactly the same. So they're very easy to operate. There's a lot of really great features on them. People really like them, but I got a lot of requests to just kind of shoot a quick video so they can kind of see the operation. So I'm just going to go through the basic operation of kind of how it works. So you can see as soon as I key on, it's going to bring you to the instrument page. So this instrument page is a good page to start with because you can see all of your digital gauges are here. You have your tachometer, your speedometer, you can see your fuel capacity, and then you have your battery voltage up here on top. Okay, so as soon as you key it on, it's always going to go to your instrument page. Now, the only difference on the sonar portion of this versus Lowrance, those of you that have used Lowrance, you'll remember the page button is on the top right-hand corner. On the Simrad system, it's actually on the top left. So I'm going to hit that button, which is our page button. This always brings you to this template where you can decide where you want to go. So I always tell people if you get stuck somewhere and you want to get out, all you have to do is hit your page button on the top left-hand corner, and it's going to bring you to this template. So now we can point and click to where we want to go. So I'm just going to briefly go through all of the most popular screens and options. So let's go to the full screen map first. So I'm just going to click on the chart. Now this has the same mapping as your Lowrance HDS does. This is the Lowrance C map. So you can see how detailed it is. This is our home lake here. This is Harlan County Reservoir. You can see all your drop-offs, your landmarks, your river channel, everything's on here. You can zoom in with your fingers, or you have some zoom in and out buttons here. Okay, so it's very similar to well, it is the exact same. It's the C map from Lowrance. So no matter what screen you're on, if you want to go to if you want to change your settings page is here to the top right. So if I click on this, let's say I want to mark this waypoint. If we're out here on the lake and we're catching fish, all I have to do is click on new and then new waypoint. It's going to instantly mark that waypoint and plot it on the map for me. Okay, and if I come back here, you can go to more options. Once you have a lot of waypoints on there, you can go in and then select them and you can go to it. This would be like a go-to waypoint, your selector there. Okay. So let's click out of that and let's go back to our page button and let's go to, for example, side imaging. A lot of guys are using side imaging now. So this is just like your HDS Lowrance. You have the keel of the boat in the center, so we're shooting left, right on the 3D image on the side view. Okay, I'm going to go back. Same thing, you have down imaging. Down imaging is what I like because it's shooting in a cone. It's on a 3D cone coming down. So this is your side imaging here. And if I go to my options, you can see it also has the fish reveal. So that fish reveal is, again, is a Lowrance feature. So you're going to see when you're on the lake, it's going to show you your structure, and you can actually see the fish within the structure with the fish reveal. So it has all those great features that Lowrance has in the Simrad system. Okay, so let's go back. I'm going to exit out of that, and let's go back to our page button. Notice you have all of your split screens over here. So let's just say, for example, I want to go map and 2D. So this would be your split screen here. So I have my map on this side and then the 2D imaging on this side. Go back. Same thing. So there's several split screens on here, and you can customize those as well. If I hit this X button, you can click and drag and basically create your own page. And a page I really like, what I like to use is down imaging if we're fishing, so you have your 3D image. And then a lot of times I like the map as well, so we can also, chart at the same time. So if I save this, this is our page, and when I go back to my page button, it's right here. So now all I got to do is click right to it. So you can customize as many pages as you want. So that's kind of a cool feature. It works just like your Lowrance does. Let's keep going here. We have our navigation page. This is nice, especially let's say you're out at night and you need to find the boat ramp. This gives you a horizontal view of the lake, your compass, your direction. Your waypoints will be listed on here as you mark waypoints. So that's a nice page to have there. That's your navigation page. And let's see, instruments. It takes a while for that to download. This is basically just another screen with, so it gives you a compass and your speed and things like that, water temperature. Notice that your depth, no matter what screen you're on, you're always going to be able to read depth, so that's important. So I'm going to go back, and remember when we started was on engine, so if I click on Mercury here, this is back to our gauge page. So, you know, you can see it's very easy to operate. It's got a lot of really cool features. And just remember, I get a lot of phone calls, guys might get on a screen, they can't get out of it. All you have to do is go to the top left, click on that, and then you're back to your template, so you can decide where you want to go. So I hope this video helps, guys, and you can see why the Simrad system's been really popular. And again, we put this on all of our Harris tritoons regardless of the floor plan or the size. So hope this helps. I'm Travis with Wakanda Boats. Thank you very much.